Panini, Panini, the oldest extant Sanskrit grammar, the wonderful work composed in Sutra style by Panini, a native of the Punjab, was constructed in the first instance, like its numerous lost predecessors, to ensure accurate teaching of the sacred book by highly trained Brahmans. The passion of the ancient writers for brevity is expressed by the saying that the composer of a grammatical sutra would have delighted as much in the saving of a short vowel as in the birth of a son. Panini's work is so compressed that although it deals with the whole Sanskrit language, it could be printed in 35 small octavo pages. The date of this prince of grammarians is uncertain. Some authorities placing him in the 4th century BC and others apparently with better reason 2 or 3 centuries earlier. Yask, who was uh, wrote an etymological commentary on the Vedas long preceded Panini. Manu Smriti. The whole of the Sutra literature is regarded as Smriti or venerable traditional matter, not as Shruti or direct revelation like the Vedas. The sixth system of philosophy means darshan were developed from the Upanishad in course of time, and the law books Dharma Sutra, based on the sutras, were composed at various dates by the Brahmins teachers of different schools as manuals of Dharma or the Hindu rules of life. The most famous Dharma Shastra is the Manas, commonly called the Laws or Institute of Manu, a composition containing much ancient matters but supposed by some scholars to date in its present form from about AD 200. It may be much earlier. This treatise deals with the rights and duties of Hindus in all ranks and conditions of life and is the foundation of the systems of modified Hindu law now administered by the Court of British India. The 18th Puran.